Hi, I'm Chef Grace Ramirez. When it comes to desserts, I really don't need much, but I do need ice cream. And I love finding different ways to have fun with it. Today, I'm going to show you how to take a banana split to the next level with a variety of flavors and some very unique toppings. So the first step for our ultimate banana split is going to be to soak the berries. We're going to add a bit of sugar, a bit of lemon juice, and I like to add a little bit more zest. So these berries need some time to sit, and while we do that, we're going to move on to the bananas. So in order to take our banana split to the next level, we are going to caramelize these bananas and then flambe them. So before we drop our bananas in, we want to make sure that our oil and sugar are nice and golden brown, that caramelly color. So the reason why I like splitting the bananas with the peel on is that you have a better grip and you have a better chance to cut it evenly. And now we can peel them. You want to face them down. Yeah, that's exactly what we want. So now we are going to add our rum, and we're gonna create a little fire, and we're gonna let that alcohol burn a little bit so we just have flavor. These beauties are ready, and now the best part, we're gonna assemble our banana split. So the greatest thing about having a banana split bar is that people can customize their own flavors, right? So we got 3 great flavors of lactate ice cream. We got vanilla, chocolate, cookies and cream, and then you can go crazy with your toppings. First, we're gonna grab the bananas. I was not able to enjoy real ice cream for a very long time. You know, here, you're not sacrificing any of the creaminess, of the silkiness. You're not compromising any flavor, so your taste buds will not be able to tell the difference, but your stomach can. So it literally opened the door to a whole new world of possibilities. Now we're gonna add some berries, candied walnuts, and now I'm going to add some dehydrated pineapple because that is going to complement beautifully. And no banana split is complete without a cherry on top. So this recipe is perfect for a birthday party, a special occasion, or any day of the week. It's perfect for the whole family to enjoy together. So this is perfection, guys. And that ice cream, it's silky, it's rich, it's creamy. So it's all of the taste and none of the discomfort.